today's class, and today we are going to study about the continuation part of integer, that is multiplication of integer and some properties of integer and their multiplication and how to multiply the integers in easier method. We will study all these things in today's class. Multiplication of integer. Here you will study how to multiply the integer according to the sign. Multiplication of a positive and a negative integer. While multiplying a positive and a negative integer, we multiplying them as whole and put negative or minus sign before the product. We will get a negative integer. Okay, we will get a negative integer. That means if a into minus b or minus a into b, the product is always minus of a into b. Okay, minus of a into b, we will get what? Negative integer. See how to multiply a positive and a negative integer in my explanation zone.
Multiplication of a positive and a negative integer. So see here, for any two integer a and b, we can say that a into minus b or minus a into b, that gives what? Negative integer only. That gives what? Negative integer only. I will solve some examples. See here. First one, 2 into minus 5. Okay. We have to multiply 2 and 5 as a whole. 2 into 5 is what? 10. 2 5s are 10. And put which sign? Negative sign before the product. So, that is what? Minus 10. That means you have already knew the sign multiplication, right? Here minus is there, here plus is there. What? Plus minus is minus itself. And second problem, minus 2 into 5. That is also 2 5s are 10 and minus. Minus 3 into 2. Same as sign multiplication only, but here you have to multiply these two numbers as the whole. 3 into 2 is what? 6. And put negative sign. 4 into minus 4. 4 4s are 16 and minus plus is what? Minus.
In the case, multiplication of two positive integer. In multiplication of two positive integer, product is always positive only. Okay, the product of two positive integer is always a positive itself. Here is also positive and b is also positive and their product is also a positive itself. Okay, a into b is equal to ab itself. There is no minus sign. Okay, there is only positive sign. See multiplication of a positive integer in my explanation zone.
See here, second one, multiplication of two positive integer. A into b is any two positive integer, then their product is also positive integer. 2 is also positive, 3 is also positive. Their product 6 is also positive. 12 into 5, 60. 4 into 6, 24. 14 into 2, 28. So this is very easy to multiply what? Positive integer. It is same as normal multiplication and it having the positive sign. There is no changes in the sign. Okay.
Third case is a multiplication of two negative integer. The multiplication of two negative integer is positive integer. While multiplying two negative integer, we multiplying them as whole and put positive sign before the product. That means minus a into minus b, that is equal to plus of a into b. Here we have to multiply a and b as a whole. Okay, then put which sign? Positive sign. Minus minus is positive only. So minus minus is plus only. Therefore minus a into minus b is equal to plus of ab. Okay, plus of a into b. See multiplication of two negative integer in my explanation zone.
Multiplication of two negative integer. The multiplication of two negative integer is always positive integer. We see one by one. -5 into -4. Here these two integers are negative integers. So their product, we have to multiply them as whole. Okay, we have to multiply first 5 into 4. What is that 5 into 4? 5 4s are 20. And minus is what? Minus is always plus. We will already knew by the sign multiplication, right? We already knew about by the sign multiplication. So minus is always plus. -2 into -3. That is what? 2 into 3 is 6. Minus is plus. -4 into -3. That is 12.
Multiplication of 3 or more negative integer. How to multiply 3 or more negative integer? There is a very easy method is that to multiply 3 or more negative integer. Okay, let's study about that. That is, if number of negative integer in the product is even, then the product is a positive integer. That means A and B are two integers. Okay, if in the product A and B only two integers are there and that having the negative sign -A into -B, then it is obviously a positive integer. -A into -B is equal to what? Plus of A into B. Second method, if the number of negative integer in the product is odd, then it is obviously negative integer. That means in the product, the number of negative integers are odd, means -A into -B into -C. Here 3 numbers are there, right? 3 negative numbers are there. That product is always what? Negative only. Minus is plus, plus minus is minus only. So negative of A into B into C. Minus of A into B into C. See how to multiply 3 or more negative integer in my explanation soon.
Multiplication of 3 or more negative numbers. Here two easy methods are there to multiply 3 or more negative number. The first method is, if the number of negative integers in a product is even, then the product is a positive integer. That means, I will solve one example here. See here, -4 into -3. So, if the number of negative integer in a product is even, what is this? Here, how many integers are there? 2 integer. If 2 integer means it is what? The number of integers in a product is what? Even, right? So, then the product is positive integer. See here, then the product is always positive integer. Minus is what? Plus. So, 4 3s are 12. That means if the number of integers in the product is even, then the product is positive integer. So, even numbers I will write. If the number of integers in the product is even, I will write even sets here. -2, -3, -4 into -5. See here, 1 2 3 4. 4 is also even, right? So 4 is also even. What is that? That the sign is always positive only. See here, minus plus, plus minus plus. So 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, 24 5s are 120. Second one, if the number of negative integer in a product is odd, then the product is a negative integer. This one, see here, I will take what number of negative integer in a product as odd numbers. See here, -4 into -3 into -2. Here how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. So number of negative integer in the products are odd. 1, 2, 3. Only 3 integers are there. So what is the result then? The sign is always negative only. Minus minus is plus, plus minus is minus. So 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Next we'll take another odd. Minus 5 into minus 4 into minus 3 into minus 2 into minus 1. Here how many number of negative integers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is odd. 5 4s are 20, 23 is 60, 62 are 120. Minus 120.
That all of you are understand the multiplication of integer, right? Okay, let's move on to the next topic, properties of integer under multiplication. First one is closure property of integer under multiplication. Product of any two integer is again an integer. Okay, that means for all a, b belongs to z, then the product c is also what? Belongs to z. That means a into b is equal to c. A into b, the product of a into b is what? C. That is also an integer. Discuss all these things in my explanation zone.
As we studied before, what is closure property? For all AB belongs to Z, then A star B is equal to C also belongs to what? Z. That means if A and B both are any two integers, then any mathematical operation is applied on these two integers gives what? That set of integers only. So here if A into B gives what? C. That product is also what? Belongs to integer. See here, I will take one example. Minus 2 into minus 3. This minus 2 and minus 3 both are integers, right? What is that multiplication? 2 3s are 6, minus minus is plus. So plus 6, and plus 6 also what? Integer itself. Minus 15 into 17. So 15 into 17 you have to multiply. The answer is 255. Then minus plus is what? Minus, and minus 2, hence integers are closed under multiplication.
One is commutative property under multiplication. A and B are any two integer. Then we multiply A and B in any order, we get the same product. Okay. A into B is equal to B into A. That means the answer, the product is always same. Okay. Then only it satisfies what? Commutative property. Okay, let's study all of these things in my explanation zone.
Commutative property under multiplication we already studied before, right? What is that symbolic representation? For all AB belongs to Z, A into B is equal to B into A. That means if A and B are any two integer, then we can multiply A and B in any order and we will get what? Same product. So let's solve some problems. 15 into minus 2. What? 15 2s are 30 and minus is there, plus minus is minus. Then in any order means what? I will write 15 first here. Now I will write minus 2 first. Minus 2 into 15. 2 15s are 30 itself, and minus plus minus. Both are what? Same, right? The both results are same. That is 15 into minus 2 is equal to minus 2 into 15. We'll take another example. Minus 2 into minus 3. 2 3s are 6, minus minus is plus, plus 6, and minus 3 into minus 2. 3 2s are 6, minus minus is plus, both are same. Therefore, minus 2 into minus 3 is equal to minus 3 into minus 2.
Next is multiplication by 0. What is this multiplication by 0? When we multiply an integer and 0, we will get what? 0 itself. That means for any integer a into 0 or 0 into a, that is equal to what? 0 only. If any integer a into 0 or 0 into a, that gives what? 0 itself. I will give some examples here. 1 into 0 or 0 into 1, that gives what? 0. Minus 2 into 0 or 0 into minus 2, that gives 0. Minus 5 into 0, that gives what? 0. Minus 100 into 0, that gives 0. And plus of 250 into 0, that is 0 itself. Is multiplicative identity. What is this multiplicative identity? For any integer a into 1 or 1 into a, that gives what? A. That's why 1 is multiplicative identity for an integer. 1 is multiplied with any integer, we will get same integer. I will give some example. 3 into 1 is equal to 3 only. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Minus 5 into 1, minus 5. Minus 60 into 1, minus 60. Plus 7 into 1, 7. So that gives what? Same integer itself. One is associative property under multiplication. If a, b and c are any three integer, then a of b into c is equal to a into b of c. Okay. Product of any three integer does not depend upon the grouping of integer, and that gives the same what? Answer. Okay. That gives same answer or same result. Study associative property of multiplication in my explanation zone.
Associative property under multiplication. As we studied before, if a, b and c are any three integer, then a of b into c is equal to a into b of c. The product of three integer does not depend upon the grouping of integer, and it gives the what? Same answer. Okay, and this is called what? Associative property for multiplication of integer. First I will write the associative properties here. A of b into c. A of means multiplication itself. Okay, then a into b of c. That means it does not depend upon the grouping of the integer. Okay, it does not depend upon the grouping of integer, and it gives the same answer. Then only associative property is satisfied. Okay, I will take some integer minus 2, 3 and 5. This is 3 integer. Minus 2 into 3 into 5. First I will find out this answer. Okay, minus 2 into 3 5s are 15. That is what? 15 2s are 30. Minus plus is minus. Minus 2 into 3 into 5. Minus 2 into 3 is what? Minus 6 into 5. 6 5s are 30. So both answers are same. Hence, associative property under multiplication is satisfied.
Distributive property. First one, distributive property of multiplication over addition. If A, B and C are any three integer, then A into B plus C, that gives A into B plus of A into C. Okay, let's see all these things in my explanation zone.
Distributive property. Here two cases are there. First one, distributive property of multiplication over addition. First one is what? Distributive property of multiplication over addition. Here, if A, B and C are any three integers, then A into B plus C is equal to what? A into B plus A into C. See here, if A, B, C are any three integers, then A into B plus C is what? A into B. A into B plus of A into C. We'll solve one example. We'll take three integers, -2, 3 and 5. Okay. See here. First I will write like this, -2 into 3 plus 5. What? -2 into 3 plus 5 is what? 8. 8 2s are -16. Write like this, -2 into 3 plus of -2 into 5. Two 3s are 6, -6 plus of 5 2s are 10, -10. -6 plus minus is -10. So minus is plus. We have to add the what numbers? 16, and which number is greatest here? 10. 10 have the negative sign, so negative. So both are same, right? Therefore, -2 into 3 plus 5 is equal to -2 into 3 plus of -2 into 5. Hence, distributivity of multiplication over addition is satisfied.
Distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. If A, B and C are any three integer, then A into B minus C gives A into B minus A into C. We see all these things in my explanation zone.
Distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. So, same formula, but here you have to apply for subtraction. A into B minus C, that is A into B minus A into C. I will solve one problem. I will take three integers, 4, 3 and 8. Okay, 4 into 3 minus 8. What? 4 into 3 minus 8 is what? Minus 5. 4 5s are 20. So plus minus is minus, minus 20. Then I will write like this, 4 into 3 minus of 4 into 8. That is 4 3s are 12 minus of 4 8s are 32. So 12 minus 32 is what? Minus 20. So both are same. 4 into 3 minus 8 is equal to 4 into 3 minus 4 into 8. Therefore, distributivity of multiplication over subtraction is satisfied.
Next is making multiplication easier. How to make multiplication easier? We will study some properties based on multiplication, right? So using that property, we can make multiplication very easier. Okay, let's we discuss some problems based on this in my explanation zone.
For easier multiplication, we can use what? Commutative, associative and distributive property for integers. Okay, see here. I will take one example. 16 into 12. By using distributive property, how we solve it easier? See here. 16 into 12 I will written as 10 plus 2. Okay. So what is this? This is distributive property of multiplication over addition, right? Then simplify. 16 into 10 plus 16 into 2. 16 tens are 160. 16 twos are 32. So 160 plus 32 is 192. Simply we will solve. I will take another example. Minus 25 into 37 into 4. By solving this, we have to multiply what? Minus 25 into 37 into 4. It is quite lengthy. See here, I will simplify using associative properties. Here, I will take 25 into 4. It is very simple, no? Minus 25 into 4. First I multiply these two. Then I will multiply 37. See here. 25 fours are what? 100. So minus 100 into 37. It is very simple. 37 into 100 is what? 3700. So minus 3700. 52 into minus 8 plus minus 52 into 2. So see here, it is in what? Distributive property. But here minus 52 is there, here 52 is there. Both are not common, right? Here signs are changed. But we modify this one as 52 into minus 8 as it is. Then plus of minus 52 into 2 is also same, and we will write it as 52 into minus 2. The product are also same, no? Minus plus is minus only. Then we will change the sign here. Then we will easily write in the what? Distributive property. 52 will taken as common. Then what is left? Minus 8 plus of minus 2. So 52 minus 8 plus minus is minus 2. 52 minus 8 minus 2 is minus 10. 52 into, this is into sign is there, right? So I will take a out. It is off means what? Into. 52 of minus 10 is into. So 52 into 10 is what? Minus 520. I solved some problems in notes, so please refer the notes.
Minus what we have discussed today. We discussed about multiplication of integer, some properties based on multiplication, and how to make multiplication easier, right? Okay, and we will discuss the remaining topic in my upcoming video.